How to make video with pictures and music in Instagram. Hi guys, let's get started. Making a video with pictures and music on Instagram is a great way to share your memories with your followers. So here's how you can do it. First, open up the Instagram app and swipe left to access the camera. Now take a photo in a dark surface and now click on the smiley face icon from the very top and scroll down and tap on this picture plus like icon. Now you can choose the pictures you want to use by tapping on them, and you can arrange the pictures in the order you want them to appear in the video by dragging and dropping them. Now to add music, tap on smiley face icon once again and scroll down and select music. You can search for your specific music in the search bar, or you could also add music that is specified below. You can also edit its template and format. Once you're done, tap on done. And now simply post it to your story. That's it. With these steps, you can make a great video with pictures and music on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to help you out. Thank you for watching till the end.